Good morning, student. Today we are continue our lesson from Social Study History Standard 6. So the second lesson of history, the earliest society. Middle Paleolithic age is characterized by the use of scrapers and borers made of flexes. These tools have been found in many sites in the Sohan Valley, bank of Narmada, and Tungabhadra River. During the Upper Paleolithic age, the climate becomes relatively warm, leading to the melting of glaciers. The tools that characterize this period comprise burins and blades. They have been found near Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh and also in the parts of Karnataka and Chota Nagpur plateau. So the next topic is stone tools of early human. The numerous stone tools litter Paleolithic site across the Indian subcontinent. Early humans prepared stone tools by sharpening rock for a specific purposes. Stone tools were used to hunt and skin animals, cut meat, chop trees, dig the ground, and scrap barks and skin. There are three categories of stone tools. Core tools used for bundling and crushing. Flake tools designed for scraping and slitting. Third is blade tools used for slicing and engraving. Early humans used two techniques to make stone on stone method. In this method, the pebbles or the core from which the tools was made held in one hand, the other hand then hammered it with another stone. By doing so, the hammer stone was used to strike off flakes from the core stone till the desired shape was achieved. So in the figure, here we shown stone on stone method. So next is a pressure flaking method. In this method, the core or the pebbles was kept on a hard surface and a stone or a bone piece was kept over it. The hammer stones would then strike to remove the extra flakes and the tools would get the desired shape. So the Paleolithic humans used tools made of wood and bones also. But it is the stone tools which have survived. However, some stone tools were also attached to a handles of bone or a wood to make a spears and arrows for a hunting. Other tools were used to chop wood. So in the given picture, stone shape as a tools. These are shown in this picture. Look at the map. Locate the Paleolithic site it. What do you see? Where do you find the concentration of these sites? The Paleolithic humans were hunter gatherers. However, they often had to stay at one place to fulfill their basic needs of food, water, and protection. These sites were those which provided ample amount of good quality stones which were needed for making tools and weapons. Places where remains of the stone tools can be found as known as factory sites. Such sites normally have remains of blocks of stones and tools that were made up of perhaps discarded because They were not perfect, and chips of west stones were left behind at this site. Sometimes these peoples live in this site for a longer duration. So these sites are called habitation cum factory site.